was that, we had gone from a system where we were basically doing everything by email, and creating every engagement letter and every review checklist and all those things every time we ran into it. So basically reinventing the wheel every time. I mean, we had our cheat sheet stuff where we could pull it in, but this software really makes those items. I mean, you don't even think about it when you click on the vendor to send it to them. That engagement letter populates and sends out, and it took you a click of a button, where before it was taking us 5 to 10 minutes and a phone call back and forth with the appraiser or the lender. So it just efficiencies were really what stood out, and then it also being
it's saving us time on having to fill out forms, sending emails. Before we would have to send emails and we'd have to type each email because it's,
right.
It's project specific, it's property specific. So we'd have to send out an email to 3 different people. Then they'd come back and ask us a question because you can only put so much, you don't always get everything that they want. And then you have to send letters to whoever you turn down, and it's just this constant. There's always something to do, and then this way, literally with one click, it's all that is done.
The transition from a manual process to an automated process became much easier, because then you didn't have everything written on, okay, who did I just solicit, or who did I just do this, or what do I need to do now? It was just much easier to just go on to it, use some of your toggle keys, and it told you exactly what you did for the day.
The communication takes place inside of the app, so we're not it really reduces the chances of something falling through the cracks, or an email's half typed and then the next thing you know it saves it as a draft, and a week later you realize it never went out. So it's really solved a lot of our pain points and frustrations, not only internal but external customers. And then we love the Appraiser interface, which is via web form. So once again, low brain damage for our appraisers. They love it. It's really slick and easy, and providing that information. And then once again, the feedback or the communication with them is also stored within YouConnect and not in an email per se, Outlook type form. So
communication, the automatic email triggering system, the benchmarking system is a big time saver for us, because everybody would call and say, where's this, where's that, did we get this, have that happened yet? With the YouConnect system, when we hit those certain benchmark items, emails are automatically triggered and go out. I don't have to do anything to initiate that. As well as the dashboards, like for our lenders, our internal customers, they can go in, they can log on, they can see what the latest stuff is, where everything is.